There's a turkey on my right, not too far away. There's a turkey on my left. It's pretty close too. There's a turkey in the middle. See what I did there? Good morning, everybody. Here's my situation today. We came down to St. James. It's bright and early, and I'm just out turkey hunting without a gun, just to see what I can see. Just listen. Like to a new hunter, like to hear what turkeys sound like. Not on a YouTube video. Learn how to mimic their sounds. There's definitely a gobbler not too far from where I am, which isn't a surprise. After maybe about an hour, hour and a half of waiting, I'll make a couple little noises with my call and then sit real patiently. I figure I'm a novice, all I can do is ruin it. This guy on my left is getting closer. Hold on to your hats. Well, that's been a lot of fun. So let me explain what was just going on. I was in a tree stand where we normally deer hunt from just to observe turkey. So I'm hunting today without a gun, but listening to the sounds, practicing some skills such as just being patient, but loving every minute of being out here. You know, we waste hours and hours watching television and movies and things like that, and getting out in nature even for just a few hours is a wonderful alternative. Really enjoyed it. Seen all kinds of animals today. Squirrel, wren, pileated woodpeckers, some hawks. Let's see what else. Some ants and other things like that. It's been a great day. Anyway, I had turkey on my left and on my right, and one of them came driving in hard. I did get a look at it probably from about 50 yards away through the trees, and I'm thinking that as it got a little bit closer, it knew something was up. There's no reason to think that my calling skills are all that good, and probably every time that I made a little bit of a sound, it was probably just telling the turkey that there's just somebody goofing off in the woods today. Thanks for coming along.